Bwinners is a leading fiber optic patch cord manufacturer in China. Bwinners supplies durable quality fiber optics for the selection of telecommunication equipment at a competitive price. Bwinners is the best company you can contact if you want to get high-quality modified fiber optic patch cords. With a team of knowledgeable and highly experienced fiber optic experts, you can rest assured that you will get the best products. Bwinners is original manufacturer and supplier of fiber optic and FTTx solutions products. Bwinners has over 15 years in FTTx products line. Bwinners provides a reliable warranty timely after-sales service for you. Bwinners can always satisfy your different needs in your telecom and related project. If you are looking for a professional fiber optic and FTTx solutions supplier, then Bwinners will be your best choice. Would you like to know more? Contact us.